You good?
Hello, rockers. To prove that we never stop, we've arrived in Ullapool. We are sitting down to dinner, but Kitty is counting up the donations that we've received today because she also never stops. And if I go, it is rather noisy in here because everyone's already had a drink after a long day. But this is more or less everybody. Say hi, everyone. It's been a rather epic day today. We've ridden some incredible. Oh, hang on, we've got Leonard Skinnerd in the corner over here.
I don't understand English. I don't speak English.
We miss Cav and Kev today. That's getting easier to say. Cav and Kev or Kev and Kev will be available on CBBC shortly. Nick and... as I cut you off. How did you find today, guys?
Very good. Awesome. What were you saying about the saddle?
Do we want to know?
It's going live.
There we go. Let's go down and see Henry and woohoo. Where? Oh, hang on. Now I'm getting all confused with my flipping. There we go. How was today, guys?
Really good. Amazing. I really like it.
Road was a bit pretty, wasn't it?
It was crazy.
Yay! Oh wait. Something needs. Yeah. I was gonna say, something needs to happen now. Give me your best cowboy Wild West voice and tell them to donate.
I don't know how to do that. I don't speak English. I don't speak English. No. Being serious, please. I need your money on that charity. Please, donate.
On the telly.
It's really important. And I'm
999.
donate. No, because you need to sing. No, you need to dance. No, this is 10,000.
No, I've already done that. I need skinny dipping at 10 grand. Why do you want to see me skinny dip, Morgan? Is that what it is?
Yes.
Henry, how was it today, mate? Yeah, you went off and did some exploring on the rocks there.
Yeah, no.
Why am I doing that again? I've learned how to do this, Mark. Come on, there we go. Awesome. Oh, where are we going over here? Hang on, bear with me now. James, you are already a proud member of the Crash Bandicoot Club. What happened today, dude? Talk us through it.
I was following a car coming out of a corner on the Applecross thing, and came out a little bit wide, caught a bit of uneven road, and just because the way my bike is, being a sports bike, it went off the road on some rocks and landed on the other side that I hadn't damaged the other day. So
you've now got an evenly damaged bike at least.
Yeah.
So now you can just tell people you had a really big smash and look really hard and cool.
Yeah.
But the important thing is you're all right.
Yeah, I'm all right.
Cool.
You know, get up, get on, carry on, and you know, it's only cosmetic damage. So yeah.
So we're going to keep rocking to the end.
Yeah, and
Awesome.
just an expensive repair job when I get home. So
Or just use it as a track day bike and treat yourself to a new one.
yeah, exactly. So I might get one of those touring bike
Yeah.
things. You know, for this kind of
The cheats like Nick and his
Thing.
missus use. Yeah, those
Yeah.
cheats. Yeah. I
yeah,
reckon.
yeah, exactly.
Those with touring bikes for touring jobs. Yeah. Well, anyway, it is a bit confusing because we have two lots of Nicks. We have Nick from the deep south and Lynette. Well, hello. I think that's the wrong kind of campaign page. I'm not sure. Right, let's go over here. Deggett and Tooney. How do you find today, lads? They have a very bizarre relationship. All right, Vicky, how you doing?
I'm alright.
You feeling good? How was Applecross?
Absolutely fabulous. Glad I did it now.
Hey, well, you said you weren't going to do it originally, were you?
I
So,
wasn't going to do it now, but after I woke up today, I was refreshed and wanted to go wherever.
and you glad you did it then?
Oh yeah, I'm definitely glad I did it.
Awesome. So last people then is Kitty and PJ, which are opposite ends of the table, which does make my life easier. But Kitty, you did it in a car.
I did.
Were you wishing you were on a bike? There's only one. Oh, there's only one correct answer. You're not giving the right one there.
No, I'm proud that I did it in the car though, because it's incredibly heavy with all the bags and everything in. There was a moment when I had to burn the clutch ever so slightly to get up the hill because numpty didn't go here.
That's for Kitty. All right. So while Kitty's having her scallops, that'll be me. We'll go and see PJ. Because PJ was very brave and did it at quite a big speed because I didn't even see you up there. How was it? Oh, you got sun there, I'll go there. How was it? So was it better than you thought then?
Coming down from Applecross,
Awesome, and we've got more similar. Hang on, that's the wrong thing. We've got similar roads tomorrow. Obviously not mountain passes, but we've got similar roads tomorrow going up to John O'Groats, amazingly tomorrow. So we need a little bit of a celebration tomorrow night at John O'Groats. So we're gonna have an easy, chilled out night. I'm gonna got loads of footage to back up, and I'll try and look at the footage of yesterday's incident as well from my GoPro. So sleep well, everyone, and we will see you tomorrow for the run to John O'Groats. Good night.